Today we're going to be replacing our Whirlpool water filter housing. We're going to need a 1/4-inch driver, or we can get a 1/4-inch socket wrench. And we're going to go for this screw at the bottom here. Loosen it, remove it. All right, we got that. We're going to remove this water filter right there, get it out the way. And then we're going to go for the housing here. And we're going to pull on the housing, wiggle it loose. There it goes. Get it out the way. It has a tab on it. That's how you're going to put it back, so don't forget that. I'm going to show you here on the side here. There's one more screw here that you need to see. And that one right there is the one we're going to be going after. I hope you can see that. And here we go. So removing that. There we go. We got it. So now we're going to lift up on the housing and let that just hang there. All right, now if you look up there, there's two hoses there, two lines, one smaller than the other. We're going to go ahead and grab this wrench here, and we're going to, on those fittings right there, we push down on those fittings, and it allows those to release. So those tubes will release on those push down fittings from pressing the wrench down on those and then pulling up on the hoses while pushing down. All right, there's our new part. Left side is smaller than the right side is what I'm trying to show you there. It's not showing up too well, but that's what I'm trying to show you. So on the left side, there's a smaller hose, right side, bigger hose. Don't cross the lines. And that's what I'm showing you again up there. And you see also that gasket on the back. Make sure that gasket is in place. So what I'm doing is pushing down on those two hoses right there, making sure that they're pressing all the way in flush as far as they can go. Pressing them down. I have them both in. I'm pressing on that gasket on the back there. I'm making sure that is pressed in. That gasket must be put back exactly how you found it, or your refrigerator is going to leak air, cold air. So now I'm lifting it up back on into place where it's supposed to be there on the side wall. You lift it up, place it back on the side wall, make sure it's in the slots correctly, and you'll realize that it's hanging there properly. It'll seem to be firm, but you have to put the screws back, of course. And I'm checking the gasket back there again, making sure everything's okay with that and everything's firm and snug. And now I'm going to replace that sidewall screw there. And here we go. Boom, got that on the side there. Screw that in. Of course, don't over tighten. And now we're going to put the cover back in. And we're going to line it up. There's a slot back there that cover goes into. Just line it up with that slot and just push it back and kind of wiggle it into place until it fits. It took me some wiggling there, as you can see, but it eventually just snaps into place. Don't be over aggressive or Mr. Incredible Hulk with it, and everything will be fine. Last screw. Gonna put that back. There we go. Screw that in. Come on. All right. Tighten that up. Boom, done. All right, put our water filter back in like that. Close it with the door till it snaps. Ready to go. And I finally have water. I haven't had water in so long. So I hope this helps someone out, and I hope you get your water back. My water was trickling. It wasn't making ice cubes correctly, and now I have water.